run out of this mean 8 small thing to help me transfer all this into this for me to remove. This is my mobile phone, and I always run out of this SD card memory. So as this thing, I got 8 GB only. Now I want to transfer all my data file, picture, video or audio into this 64 GB. Okay, I'm using this file manager. Okay, you take a look. My SD card is 7.9, mean 8 GB only. So how do I transfer all this SD card information into this new 64 GB? Okay, let's go. I show you how. Now I need these two small things to help me, to assist me transfer all my file into this 64 GB. Okay, this one is type C OTG, because my phone is using type C. If your phone is a micro USB, you need micro USB OTG, and this one is a microSD card reader. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I plug this one here, and later I'll connect this to my phone. This one is a 64 micro SD, and now I plug into micro SD reader, card reader. You facing this side. Okay, you connect it. Okay, come back to here. Okay, this is my file manager. What I do is I connect to this type C to my phone, and you can see now MTX USB drive, file manager, open file manager to handle. Okay lah. Okay, so you can detect this is a permission setting. Please allow the apps access the USB storage by following the instruction below. Okay, use this folder. Okay, I just tap the use this folder. Allow file manager plus to access file in this. This will let file manager plus access current and future content stored in this. Allow. Okay, so now it's empty folder here. Okay, I go back to home. Okay, now I want to transfer everything from my 8 GB into this 64 GB. Okay, I tap here. I just highlight all. Just select which one I want. Okay, I just move. Okay, I use copy because move it erase all my existing file. So for safety, I use copy. Okay, I use copy, and go back to home and go to the disk. I paste. Okay, just wait and wait for everything's transfer. Okay, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay, 100%. Failure to copy file not found. Okay, it's okay, I'll just leave it. Then I go back to the home. Okay, and check and see. Okay, you can see here all the file is transferred to here. SD card. Okay, now I want to remove this 64 GB. Okay, this three dot and remove. Okay, now it's disappear and safety for me to remove. Okay, but this one. Okay, now I want to do is I want to use this 64 GB and replace the existing 8 GB micro SD. First thing I want to do is I need to switch off. Okay, turn off, power off. Okay, and then I open my case. Okay, so what you do is you need a pin to push this hole and take up this micro SD. Okay, this is 8 GB micro SD. Okay, now I replace this 64 GB micro SD. So now I switch on the power. Okay, now we take a look my 64 GB and all my file is there or not. Okay, I open this file manager. Okay, you can see micro SD, my micro SD card. Okay, 64 GB is here. Okay, so video file, audio file, image file, all just transfer into here. Image file, you can see this this is a micro SD symbol, the black color. Okay, at the corner. Okay, those without this symbol means it's all storage is installed on this main storage. Only those with the symbol is installed onto this micro SD. Okay, is it that simple? Just transfer using OTG and a micro SD card, transfer all the file into this 64 GB and swap only. That is